The maga ear.
Okay, so this video is to show you guys what we got
in our goodie bag. Hi people, today's video is going to be about
the goodie bag that we received at the hair show.
Okay, so as you guys know, we went to a hair show the other day. So while we're there, we got a goodie bag. So this video is to show you guys what we got in our goodie bag.
So
let's get started.
We both got this bag.
Yeah, we got this bag by Curls Unleashed. Yes. So we'll be telling you guys what we each got in the goodie bag.
We basically got the same thing.
Almost. We got these stuff.
Almost.
One is basically...
Jeez, I'm girl, I never read this something.
Yeah. First milk one. One basically tells how to use the product to do a flat twist out.
And this one is a hair product shipping company, I think. So you just go on the site and I guess order the hair products that you want and they will ship it for you. And this one
Why things always drop from me? Okay.
This one ask the hair doc. I don't know who the hair doctor is.
I think she was at the hair show. We'll have it up to show you guys. So yeah, Ashley will go first and tell you what she got in her bag.
I got the Curls Unleashed No Boundaries Leave-In Conditioner, and I do not like it. A joke. And basically, it's alright. I don't know what to say. I used it a couple times and it's okay, but
it's not great.
It's not great. I guess because it's too thin. It's too thin. It's thin in consistency, and and my hair is very thick, so it works with lighter hair textures, finer hair textures.
No.
And we got the curl boosting, a sample of the curl boosting jelly. It's basically a gel, so it says for curly and kinky textures 3 and 4. She's type 3 and I'm type 4.
Yes.
And it's still too light for my hair. It doesn't really boost my curls, so I gave it away. But it smells good.
It doesn't to me.
It smells okay. It can work. And it's alcohol free, paraben free, mineral oil free, and it defines curls without the crunch. It works on Ashika's hair. Ashika was in our last video with the golden, yeah, with the golden hair. Yes,
golden
it works.
Blonde.
Golden blonde hair. It works perfectly on her hair type, but it does nothing for moi.
Okay, for me, in my goodie bag, I got the same that. So I also got this curl defining cream. Yes, I think so. Thank you, Ashley. I also got this curl defining cream by the same Curls Unleashed. It's for curly and kinky textures, 3 and 4s, basically. And it has no parabens, no petrolatum or mineral oils. It's made with coconut oil and sweet almond oil, and it moisturizes and defines curls without shrinkage, they say.
Do you like it?
I haven't used it as yet. I used it, but just a little bit, so I don't really feel the full effect of it.
I used it and I also gave it away because man, if I'm me picky, but I just don't think it do nothing for me here. No, that I'm me picky. I just don't like it.
I don't. It never feel like it do much to my hair. The 2 little times that I used it,
But it works perfect for Ashita's hair.
so it depends on you and your hair type, I suppose.
Yeah, it works better on finer textures.
The other sample that I got is a leave-in conditioner, a sample size to the full product that you see actually. Wait. Yes. So unlike Ashley, I did not get a full-size product, which I am also deeply hurt about, to be honest. But yeah, instead, Ashley, stop laughing at me. But instead, I got a t-shirt.
A beautiful t-shirt that I didn't
Beautiful olive t-shirts by Organic Root Simulator.
get. A simulator, you say?
Oh, it says stimulate. Yeah, by Organic Root Stimulator. It says, quote unquote, my olive oil. And the back doesn't have any writing.
But that's okay.
But it's fine. I can wear this t-shirt.
Even though
I didn't get a full size product.
that's the final product.
Yes, that's the final
And that's
thing.
all.
That's basically it. They had another type of goodie bag.
That was from Cream of Nature, but we never want that.
We didn't want that.
No offense, Cream of Nature, but
I would have wanted it, but
this
This
was
gave
very
more.
attractive.
yes, I need
So,
more things in
yeah.
it, so I chose this one instead.
Oh, by the way, I forgot to say that I'm going to give this conditioner to you. Seen that?
You don't like it?
So I don't know if you want to give me a shirt in exchange.
No, it's fine.
A joke, I don't want the shirt,
No.
but I like it, so.
It probably
You
worked
can
on
have
my
it.
hair.
And the scent is very strong, so like if you're pregnant, it will make you want to vomit. That's what
Most
I
of the
think.
products.
The scent
by
very
them
strong,
smell.
and I don't like products that have strong scents. And that's not bad, but it just overbearing, overwhelming. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you guys.
Yes, Curls Unleashed for the goodie bags. We enjoy free stuff as Jamaicans, and a joke. And yeah, and tell us what you'd like to see
Oh
next.
yes, guys.
Inbox us, leave a comment, DM us anywhere on social media. Follow her and follow me, and feel free to message us anything you want to see. It really doesn't matter if it's a challenge, a tag, anything about hair, not makeup, probably lipstick alone.
Yeah, because we really do wear makeup.
Or hair color.
Lip gloss.
Anything at all. Leave your comment and tell us what you'd like to see, and we will.
Try our best to do it. Thank you guys for joining us another day.
And thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you to all our subscribers.
The
And
270 that we have.
woo! And all our viewers, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys so much for the support, because if we never have no support, it wouldn't make sense we sit down and do this, you know, and I continue. So
But people actually like our stuff and come to us and ask us stuff and give suggestions and tips on how to improve, and so I really appreciate all of that. So please continue, and thank you for that. Bye.
bye. Bye guys.